Alright, so in this video I'm going to be practicing the front part of the torso, so mainly like the chest, the abs and the shoulders. I do often struggle with this because for whatever reason to me it's very confusing. So if you do have any tips or if you see me do anything wrong, please just let me know. I will be working to improve it in the future. By the way, I want to thank all of you for getting me past 200 subscribers. I did not think it was going to come this soon, but thank you nonetheless. But if you do like the sketches, please feel free to drop a like or a comment, and please consider subscribing. Have a good day. Peace.